How you maintain your relationships? I mean, I just wanted to know when the relationships comes, how you deal with that. You being a strong lady, seen everything in life.
Yeah, there's only one mantra is for any beautiful relation. Never expect anything from anyone.
How
That's the
then
only
relationships can work?
then only it will work. Whether it is your relation with your servant, whether it is a relation with your husband, or your in-laws, or your friends, or anyone. So that is the only mantra you do. Just you don't expect anything. Even they are very close friends of yours also, you should not expect.
So relationships, you are very clear cut. I mean, anything in your life you followed, okay, when I'm going for a marriage, these things I'll take care of it. Or, you know, after learning something, you came out and you would like to give to the future generation. I don't know how seriously they will take marriage in the future. So I think we are seeing our surroundings. People are more into now freedom. Like they don't get into all this now. Okay, live-in relationships are happening. People are now accepting it. Now parents are also saying, okay, you go for a live-in because it's better to just test, take a test drive.
No, actually, you know the person after marriage, maybe it gives a bad result. But if you are knowing a person before marriage, you should know that person, like he's okay with me, and like, you know, this relation works or not, you will come to know before. So when you talk to him or when you spend some time with him, nowadays the like love marriage is a normal thing, right? So nothing wrong in dating before wedding. Date him properly, know him. If he's really suits to
But
you,
before marriage, sometimes
the girl also.
Know.
So a boy or girl. So if you know them better, but you don't know any person fully, you know, for a lifetime also you don't know the person. So at least living conditions is okay with that guy. You should, you know before only. Then it works.
So do you believe in live-in? It should be more
I don't
of acceptable.
Mind. Why not? Instead of getting married and taking divorce, why can't you live with him for some time? If he's okay, then you get married. If it is not okay, you break up. That's okay. That's nothing. It's I know it's a culturally,
but now
people don't accept. But there is no other way because of the generation. There is a change in every 10-15 years or 10-20 years. There is a change in our lives. So whatever the change, you have to accept and go with the less damage. Nothing wrong.
But nowadays we are hearing more of it in the industry because people always used to have a role models. Oh, actor or actresses. Now obviously from the well-known families, divorce cases are coming more. So how you see that? Like people get attracted to celebrities. Oh, they were role models and now they're getting separated. I think that is impacting more. And what can be the more reasons of divorces?
I don't
it's getting a high rate nowadays.
No, I don't think so. Because of the film actresses taking divorce, these people will affect.
More of the news being get hyped.
No. I don't think so. It is all the getting divorce or being with the person is your absolutely personal choice. How can you influence with anyone? No.
So how you take this scenario of divorce? It was a stigma. Now our people are appreciating. Okay, you come out at least from the right place, wrong place to right place.
Divorce are, the rate is little high.
But people are taking in a positive way. How you take this? I mean,
if you're not really not comfortable, then better you come out of the relation. But what I suggest, know the person before only little. So that you will not have these hassles after marriage.
But once you get married, what are the marriage tips? Because you are married, happily married, touch wood. So what makes both of you to work out a proper relationship?
That's what I said. Not expect
after
too
marriage.
Much. Not expect everything and anything from the other person. If you're not liking anything, you should be able to sit and discuss. The proper communication makes you the best relation. I'm telling you.
I think it should be two ways then.
No, of course. The sit and talk is two ways, right? If you're not liking something, you should be able to sit and talk, see, this is not I'm liking, like this is I'm liking. And everybody, like boy or girl, you should sit and why it is happening. So can we improve in
True.
that area? So if you sit, talk our, and I feel these days because of the social media, because of whatever, the communication is very bad.
Yeah.
So people are hiding from each other.
Yeah.
People are escaping from each other. And whenever the thing comes, then they fight and
Exactly.
they divorce. So before that, if you have a great communication with each other, then I don't think so. It is not a great thing.
I think social media videos have also affected so much to people.
It is eating your time,
Yeah.
right? You're not talking to each other. You're not cooking together. You're not cleaning the house together.
Spending more
You're
time.
not gardening together. You're not doing anything together. How you develop your relation?
And you grow together then.
Yeah, then you grow because it's a long way to go. So that communication, that being togetherness is very much
Very
important. You like cricket, I love romantic movies. You watch there in the bedroom, I watch in the hall. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
Either you have to little sacrifice for a romantic movie, either I have to little sacrifice for the cricket. So the both should a little not compromise. Understand his choice, understand her choice, and making the time together. This is the only mantra. Yeah.
Mantra, couple mantra.
And that's it.
That's a great mantra you gave. And I want you to give a message to all the youngsters who are into this now upcoming fashion designing profession. So, because they always think it's a very glamorous field, we'll be doing this. But I think the hardships, what you have gone through, they must not be going through it.
Every business, every work have its own plus and minuses. So if you want to overcome the minuses, definitely any industry is a beautiful industry. And this is a passion driven industry, fashion industry. So if you have love towards the fashion, then only you will come, right?
Okay.
So if you have that passion, then you don't leave. So still I'm doing real estate, but still I can't leave my profession because still the clients comes and I take care of little work of mine. So my heart goes out for the fashion any time of my life.
Okay.
So of course I have seen it's a big thing is managing your staff is a big thing in the industry.
Yeah.
So if you become a good creative person, anyway you are there. If you are good at managing the staff, it will be easy.
But I think at your time and this time is a huge difference. Like now supply is more.
At that time we never got a good masters, good tailors, good embroiders.
Yeah.
It's very hard for us.
They used to think you are also tailor.
Yeah. The people who anyway
what is fashion designing? Yeah.
So, but now you get best masters, tailors, embroiders and materials, and you get good fabrics. At that time, I used to run to the Kolkata, to the Bombay to get the small fabric also. So things are more easier now for the upcoming generations.
Designers, yeah.
So it is easy and happily you can do your profession, whatever.
So when you see your past, anything that you would like to change, if you would like to change it, one thing you would like to change?
Nothing.
Very good.
Nothing
you want to change.
Everything was good as it is.
Okay. And in the future?
I don't want to change anything. I don't want to do anything. I just want to go with the flow.
Oh, I was thinking.
I also plan. It's not that I don't plan. But if it is not happening also, I'm okay with it.
Okay.
I just want to do this. I want to sell my project within 6 months.
Okay.
But it didn't happen in over a year. That's okay. It will take another year or half year. So that's okay. But you plan. For sure, you should have a planning. If it is not happening also, I don't have a complaint. I don't want to change anything in life.
Wow. So that's the mantra of we'll end up with knowing the mantra of your life that keeps you going.
Yes.
So what's that mantra? No complaints.
No complaints.
And that
at
makes you
all.
gorgeous also, right?
Yes.
Your
it
fitness
doesn't give you.
mantra.
It doesn't give you wrinkles on your face.
Yes. So that is your fitness mantra also, I can say.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
The one
absolutely.
line, no complaints.
No complaints.
You made my day. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
this
so
interview.
much,
I think
Rai.
more interview. I want to do one more with your husband. Couple
Sure,
interview
sure.
is more
We'll do it.
interesting. So we'll do that. And
Yeah.
thank you for this precious time.
Thank
And
you
as we're
so much
busy-
for the interview.
No,
Thank
that
you
was
so
thanks
much.
to you. So it was an inspirational interview, I must say. You always been inspiring us. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.